Sarah here with WTI. Do you want to do a puzzle with me?
Of course you do, because it's cold outside. Puzzles are amazing, and I'm a nice person, so why wouldn't you want to do a puzzle with me? This puzzle board has made puzzling so much fun. I have a small house and I have a busy life with kids and pets, and so having a puzzle on the kitchen table or on my coffee table is just not feasible. But having this puzzle board has made everything just perfect. The number one thing that I love about this is this non-slip mat that you can put on top of it, and this fits right under my couch. You can also put it under your bed or under your table. Wherever it fits, it's out of sight, out of mind, and you're ready for family time. So it doesn't take up any space in your house, and you can still have the fun of doing a puzzle by yourself or with your kids. I love that the drawers slide in and out so easily. You can even take them all the way out if you wish, and I love how well this is made. It's very durable, so I also don't mind if my kids wrestle while I'm trying to do a puzzle. You can see here how large it is. I have a 500-piece puzzle on it, but you can fit a much bigger one in there, and the drawers are very big. I like to divide everything into different colors so that I know what I'm working on and what area. You can keep a lot of puzzle pieces in these drawers. It has 4 different drawers for you to organize whatever way you want to. So if you are looking for an awesome puzzle table to take your winter blues away, then you have found it.
And that's my point of view.